friends, with a new feature, we can provide additional functionality and interactivity for students testing. Teachers can now enable a text-to-speech option for students in Schoology assessments. Let's take a look. When preparing a Schoology assessment at the Setup tab, after adding general instructions for students about completing the assessment, scroll down to the Assessment Toolbar section. Mark Yes at Students can use text-to-speech toolbar with screen masking during attempt. Select any other features or options to add to the assessment. Then scroll down and select Save. Prior to administering the assessment, it is a good idea to model for students how they can use the toolbar and adjust the settings. This could be done using the Preview button. Then, when the student opens the assessment, the instructions we added at Setup will show on the opening screen. This is a great space for providing clear directions for students as well as for introducing the available features for the assessment. When the student selects Start New Attempt, the first question appears, and in the top right corner of the screen, the text-to-speech toolbar is visible. The Collapse Expand arrow can be used to collapse the toolbar when not in use. When expanded, though, the student can select Settings, the gear icon, and set up the text-to-speech function to the desired options. Options include voice speed, which controls how quickly the words are read aloud, slow, medium, or fast. Text highlight, which describes how words and sentences are highlighted as they are read aloud. Each option has a background color and a text color. As a sentence is read aloud, the sentence is highlighted in one color and the word being read is highlighted in the other. In this example, the sentence is highlighted in yellow and the word being read aloud is highlighted in navy. Text magnifier size controls how large the text becomes when the text magnifier is selected. The options are XL through 5XL. Speech mode refers to how students can use the pointer button to start reading text aloud from anywhere on the page. When this is set to click, students need to click the pointer button and then click the sentence or the word that they would like to hear. When this is set to hover, students can simply hover over any text on the page to begin speech once the pointer has been enabled. The default settings for text-to-speech are voice speed, medium, text highlight, yellow and navy, text magnifier size, XL, speech mode, click. Note, changes to these settings do not persist across student sessions, so students will have to adjust the settings for each assessment for which they'll be used. In other words, if a student adjusts the settings to the desired mode for an assessment during the morning and then has another assessment in the afternoon, the settings will have to be adjusted again for the afternoon assessment. Once again, instructors enable text-to-speech at Schoology Assessment Setup by selecting Yes for Students can use text-to-speech toolbar with screen masking during attempt, and be sure to select Save. Then, when students open the posted assessment, they can select settings to adjust the desired options, which include voice speed, text highlight, text magnifier, and speech mode. Students use text-to-speech features or can collapse the toolbar when it is not in use. Well, that's a wrap for WCS EdTech Tip, Text-to-Speech in Schoology Assessments.